Tesla, Amazon, and Netflix. Dan Fitzpatrick, founder of StockMarketMentor.com, is here to tell us how and when to buy 3 stocks he saw on TV. So Dan, last night on Mad Money, Jim Cramer discussed 3 cult stocks that he said will keep going higher as long as cult members continue to love them. And one of those cult stocks is Tesla. People love this story, they love the cars, but professionals don't love this valuation. So what's your technical take?
Yeah, I actually like Tesla here. I'm very conscious of the high valuation. My inner fundamentalist is kind of struggling with this one. But here's the thing. The biggest thing is Tesla announced a profit last quarter. That absolutely surprised everyone. And this is why that's important. The short interest in this is really, really high. But the forward PE at 88 is really not, I mean, it's high, but it's not that high. So my suggestion would be, look, the moving average is at 123 right now. That's a 50-day moving average. As long as the stock stays above that level, I think you can own this stock because Jim's right. As long as the story is good, retail investors are still going to be buying Tesla. They may not be buying the car because it's too expensive, but they can buy the stock.
Another cult stock that Cramer mentioned has a valuation that makes no sense is Amazon. He said as long as stocks like this continue to wow consumers, the sky is the limit for the stock. And we know Jeff Bezos has his eyes on dominating e-commerce. How would you play Amazon?
Yeah, I actually like Amazon too. From a technical standpoint, it's at a really good setup right now. It had been stuck at about 280 bucks for the entire year, testing that area a few different times and was never able to get through. Well, it finally broke out, okay, in early July. Really, really nice. The only thing better than that is when the stock falls back down and tests the breakout level, because that's your next buy point. That's exactly where the stock is right now. It's looking really firm right about the current level. So this would be a great time to buy Amazon.
All right, and lastly, Netflix. We just saw the stock rally more than 5% on the Weinstein Company licensing deal. Tell us, the valuation may be high, but how does the chart look?
Yeah, the chart actually looks pretty good. The all-time high for Netflix was 305 bucks, and that was a couple of years ago, back in 2011. Well, yesterday, Netflix broke above their July high, not the all-time high, but a July high on really high volume. The stock had been in a volatility squeeze, really, really tight range, fairly low volume, and that sets up a pretty explosive move. That's what we got. We got it really close to the 50-day moving average, also a good thing. So this has room for more upside. I think you could buy Netflix right now, and the way it's going, I think it'll probably hit new highs by the end of October.
All right, great. Couple stocks to buy right now. Thanks so much, Dan Fitzpatrick, founder of StockMarketMentor.com. I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.